Welcome back, everyone. End of day 21. Please hit like and subscribe. So I got a lot done today building that teardrop camper. See in here, cut out for the 4 switch, just the FXC from Amazon. Then on the other side is going to be the 8 switch in there. Basically in here, expect to have a light on this side, a light on the other side, and then one for the heat pump or the heater, and then so I'll have that on a switch so that way it doesn't accidentally go on, and the light doesn't stay on all the time. And then I left like one opening, which I haven't really decided yet what to do. Installed up there the back sheet. You can see there's a gap. I'm gonna put a strip along here, and then what I plan on doing is putting the beadboard to hold that up along the edge all around to hide the little bit of gaps there. Air conditioning in there. This is that 8 thing, and then cabinets, I'll show you in a minute, are gonna go up along there. So that's basically that. What else did I do today? Putting another 6 switch back there. That'll be for the stereo on and off. Some lights up, 2 up there, some underneath, and then I'll probably put one on the tailgate, and then maybe some on the ground underneath. So I left myself for a couple bucks more extra switches, so not a real big deal. What I plan on doing tomorrow is doing all the wiring. So I'm gonna have 2 fuse buses, one in the back here, one of those 12 gang, and then one up front to kind of split everything off. Then what I did is I built a speaker box. It's going to go in the back here. I'm going to put 2 speakers in the front. That's another speaker box, and this is for the stereo. Just sanding it now, and it's going to go up in here and mounted so I can run the wires up to the top. And then you can see it's plenty of gap right now, so that way I can do that. And then this is for the front side, so I have speakers in there. Leave this down so I can see it. So I have speakers in there, and then I'll put like baskets or whatever in there for now. Just finishing up sanding and smoothing that out, and then what I'm going to do is paint the cabinet tops white, the speakers white, and then up here white, and then I'm going to put a beadboard along all the edge to hide all the silicone, and then I'm gonna try to leave this natural color, just polyurethane here in the back and the sides as much as I can. Down below I'm gonna put a divider probably somewhere around here. I have a big 150 quart cooler that I'm gonna use right now on slides, and then eventually put a electric or 12 volt something like a Dometic refrigerator, and then some drawers, slide outs there. The other thing I'm kind of concerned, I left some gap there because I just got my doors in. I don't know how far they're going to go back in the hatch, so I wanted to leave some room and then kind of get those installed, and then I'll finish up the cabinets there. What else did I do today? Oh, I made my vent opening there, so that should be fine. Now I just got a router. It's just glued on top, and then I'll router from underneath and get that, except unfortunately I keep blowing through routers. They always are constantly burning out the bearings. So that's always interesting and fun. So that's basically it for today. It's a lot of work, a lot of sanding, a lot of painting coming up. So tomorrow is going to be finishing up mounting the cabinets, sanding, painting, hopefully get that all painted so it's out of there so it's easier to paint the bench, and then I will install those later and start running all the wires, the trailer wires and the interior lights and stuff like that. So that should be an interesting day. Any questions, any suggestions, just let me know. Always here to help, and kind of go from there. Talk to you soon. Thank you, and please hit like and subscribe.